Hey everyone's Junaid from Meninfluencer. Hope you look good, feel good and are ready to prosper, because in this video I'm thrilled to share my incredible journey with the HydroXtreme Penis Pump by Bathmate. Get ready for a game-changing experience that will elevate your confidence and redefine your performance. Because in this video I'll take you through my 60-day adventure, sharing my initial impressions, midway updates, final verdict, pros and cons, and even a massive giveaway. So definitely stick with me till the end to get more details about the giveaway, and I hope you're excited because I am. And with that said, let's get started. Day 1, my initial impressions. Brace yourselves because this thing is a game changer. As soon as I unboxed the HydroXtreme Penis Pump, I could just simply feel the quality in my hands. Bathmate has truly outdone themselves with this one. And compared to the previous Bathmate products that I received, this time the Bathmate accessory kit was perfect. Because it had everything from the carry case to the cleaning sponge to the handball to the comfort insert pad to the hose attachment, the Bathmate Clean, security lock, shower strap, wash towel, and these were the exact accessories that I needed. The sleek design and premium materials instantly caught my eye, making me realize that this was no ordinary pump. They've paid attention to both functionality and aesthetics, ensuring that you'll be proud to own this device. Trust me, it's a head turner. But what about performance? Well, as soon as I put it to the test, I was blown away. The HydroXtreme pump delivers results from day 1, resulting in stronger and longer erections that will leave both you and your partner impressed. Plus, it's super easy to use, making this a hassle-free addition to your self-care routine. And now don't forget to stick with me till the end of this video for the giveaway. Day 30, midway update. Consistency is key and the results are starting to show. 30 days into my pumping journey and I couldn't be happier with the progress. The HydroXtreme pump has become a staple in my self-care routine and the benefits are undeniable. My erections have noticeably become stronger and fuller, giving me an incredible sense of confidence in the bedroom. Because it's not just about size, but also about the quality of the experience. Now, let's be real for a moment. Finding the perfect rhythm and pressure can be a little bit of a learning curve. But don't fear, because Bathmate provides exceptional instructional materials and online resources to guide you through mastering the art of pumping. They've got your back every step of the way. And trust me, in my experience, it's worth the effort. And at this point, I'm thrilled with the progress so far, and I can't wait to see what the second part of the journey holds. Because I've already checked out the other 2 penis pumps, but when it comes to the HydroXtreme pump, it just takes it to the next level. Because it is truly a game changer, and I just feel like that we just got started. Moving on to day 60. My final verdict. Exceeding expectations and unlocking true potential. Now, after a full 60 days of the HydroXtreme Penis Pump, it's time for the final verdict. This device has completely transformed my confidence and performance in ways I never truly thought was possible. It's been an incredible journey and I'm thrilled to share my results with you. Not only have I witnessed significant increase in size and girth, but the more important thing is that the quality of my erections has reached a new high. The HydroXtreme pump has become an integral part of my self-care routine, and at this point of my life, I can't live without it. And of course, it's important to remember that individual results vary, and it's important to approach meal enhancement with patience and realistic expectations. Because I started with the Hydro 7 and I used this pump for 60 days. Then I moved on to the Hydro Max 7 and I used this pump for 180 days. And although both of these pumps were amazing, there's still levels to this game. Introducing the HydroXtreme. Because the HydroXtreme pump has been a total game changer. Because it's so much stronger, leaving me with a fuller and longer lasting erection. And I completely stand behind this innovative device and highly recommend it to any man looking to elevate their satisfaction and performance. And Bathmate believe in their product so much that they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Yes, you heard it right. If you don't get the results that you want, you can return it for your money back. And now I want to talk about the pros and cons, unveiling the truth behind this powerful device. Let's get down to business. So here's what you need to know about the HydroXtreme Penis Pump. When it comes to the pros, it amplifies performance. Designed to increase blood flow, it provides stronger and firmer erections. The second thing is that size matters, because the Bathmate HydroXtreme can help you to unlock your full potential in terms of size and girth. The third pro is the sleek design and premium materials. The design is aesthetically pleasing and made to last. And the fourth pro is that it's a confidence booster because it elevates your performance and satisfaction in the bedroom. Moving on to the cons, it takes time and dedication. Results require consistent usage over time. Because for example, look at me. Initially I started with the Hydro 7 and I did it for 60 days. Moving on, I used the Hydro Max 7 and I used that one for 180 days, and now I've been using the HydroXtreme 7 for 60 days. And thus, if you're someone that wants to see results, it will take time. The second con is the learning curve. Finding the perfect rhythm and pressure can take a little bit of time because everyone's sensitivity is different, and thus if you're someone that wants to find the perfect pressure and perfect rhythm for you, it will take you some time. And the third con is that proper usage is key. Follow the instructions to prevent discomfort and ensure maximum benefits. Remember, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed choice that suits your needs and expectations. The HydroXtreme penis pump offers incredible benefits, but at the end of the day, it's up to you to decide whether it's a good fit for you. And when it comes to the results and the length after using the Hydro Max 7 for more than 60 days, once again, I've seen an increase because with the Hydro Max 7 that I used for 180 days, I went from 6.3 to 6.6 inch. Whilst when it comes to the HydroXtreme 7, in 60 days, I went from 6.6 to almost 6.8 inch. And I generally think that increase of 0.2 this late in my journey after using the first pump for 60 days, moving on to using the second pump for 180 days, and now using this pump from 60 days, I think the increase that I've seen is incredible. And now here comes the exciting part. It's giveaway time. Elevate your game with the HydroXtreme penis pump. $300 value for free. I've teamed up with the awesome people at Bathmate to bring you an incredible giveaway that will leave you feeling like a true champion. A state-of-art HydroXtreme penis pump designed to amplify your performance and enhance your satisfaction. And we know that confidence matters. And that's why we are giving you the chance to win this game-changing device worth $300 for absolutely free. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to skyrocket your confidence and achieve unprecedented results, because when it comes to the HydroXtreme 7, it is the best one that I've checked out so far. So embrace the HydroXtreme revolution and enter the giveaway using the link in the description, because your journey to unlocking your true potential starts here. Get ready to take your game to the next level, gentlemen, because it is time to unlock your true potential. Remember, consistency, dedication, and realistic expectations are key. So what are you waiting for? Join me on this incredible journey and let the HydroXtreme pump transform your confidence and satisfaction. And if you'd like to check this life-changing device for yourself, I will have it linked down below. And if you use the discount code MEN5, you'll get 5% of your purchase. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you would like to stay updated when it comes to my Bathmate journey, definitely consider to hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.